Mastering directions, from mental to digital maps. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today we're focusing on an essential skill when it comes to conversational English, and that is giving and receiving directions. More specifically, we will be working on combining mental, physical, and digital maps, and we'll do this by practicing real-life scenarios and role plays. This will help you understand and visualize routes better. So, let's get started. Firstly, let's take a moment to understand the three types of maps we'll be working with today. Mental maps are the images we create in our minds to understand and navigate spaces. Physical maps are the traditional paper maps, and digital maps can be found on devices like smartphones or tablets, for example, Google Maps. When you listen to someone giving directions, try to create a mental map. This means visualizing the path in your mind. Picture the landmarks, the streets, the turns, and the final destination. Using a physical map can be very helpful, especially when visualizing more complex routes. Don't just look at it, interact with it. Trace the route with your finger, mark important points, and write down landmarks. Nowadays, digital maps are widely used. They are practical because they can provide real-time information about traffic, they can recalculate routes, and they even can provide satellite imagery. Now, let's get to the fun part. We will practice some real-life scenarios and role plays. One person will play the role of a person asking for directions, and the other will play the role of a local who knows the area. Try to imagine the route as the directions are given, and then, use both a physical and a digital map to trace it. For example, here's a simple direction script. Person A, excuse me, could you tell me how to get to the train station? Person B, sure, go straight for 2 blocks, then take a left at the supermarket. The train station will be on your right. Great work today, everyone! Practicing these real-life scenarios and using all types of maps will certainly boost your skills in understanding and giving directions in English. Keep practicing, and you'll master this in no time. Thank you for watching, and remember, every journey starts with a single step, or in this case, a single direction. See you in our next video.